Every year, almost 1 billion shipping containers travel through ports worldwide. But only a small fraction are inspected, leaving more than 700 million containers unchecked, allowing dangerous items, contrabands, and undeclared goods to pass through undetected. As global trade increases and resources become limited, how do we improve security without disrupting the flow of trade? Courses is the answer. With its powerful suite of applications, Courses performs a 100% data inspection on every container. Each container is created a unique case, assigned a risk profile, and is automatically routed to the relevant screening process. You can manually determine which cases need additional screening and which can be processed efficiently, so you can better manage your resources, improve competitiveness, and increase customer satisfaction as cargo reaches its endpoint sooner. To enhance risk assessment, Courses gathers data from all your screening equipment, regardless of vendor, and integrates your operations into a single workflow. Courses facilitates collaboration with other operators by sharing intelligence and insights, allowing you to identify security trends and threats in real time, whether you're in a central location or based remotely. With Courses' machine learning capability, your operation gets smarter and more efficient the more you use it. Meanwhile, data is kept secure within a network infrastructure that is protected by the highest level of security. Tomorrow's security management system is here today. Use Courses to channel your resources intelligently, implement digital transformation, and accelerate your security operations. Discover Courses by Smith's Detection.